Beach. Doggy! Doggy! Hello everybody, so we just arrived here in Koh Rong Samloem and we are going to stay here for one day here in this place. And right now we are going to the beach. The beach is just not far away where we stayed, so let's go. Yeah, let's go.
What's the beach name?
Saracen Bay Beach Resort. So this is the way it goes to the beach. So this is restaurants here. So I'm going to the left. The beach is so calm. Okay guys, so once again welcome. Fish. So this is the beach, the Saracen Bay Beach Resort.
Maybe later, yeah.
And right now we are going to tour you guys. So we just use boat to come here from Koh Rong Island, the other island, and goes here. So this is the beach. Low tide. It's low tide. So beside the beach there are a lot of restaurants here. Oh, we cannot see the sunset here.
What's this? Volleyball in the water.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
But where is the ball? So they have the net of the volleyball guys where you can play volleyball on the water. That must be fun. And here it's empty, no customers. So everybody said that this island is only for couples. Really? We have to go here on the bridge because look at the color of the water. So this is the last beach that we are going to cover here.
Yeah.
So guys, so we are going to tell you guys that this is the last beach that we are going to cover here in this island.
And where are we going next?
We are going to first we are going to Sihanouk. We have to go back there because we'll leave the luggage there.
And then we go.
And then after Sihanouk, after here in Cambodia, we are going to Thailand. We are going to show you guys the most beautiful beach in Thailand. Maybe they worship there. The water here is different. At least they are cleaning the beach. Look. The problem is this one. It's closed. Maybe there's no people, no customer. And there is, but it's not that known to everyone. So we arrived here in Learn to Dive today. Oh, that's turtle.
Should we go to the pier? Let's go on the pier. So this is Eden Beach Resort.
Oh, we are now in Eden Beach Resort. So this is the Eden Beach Resort.
Go to the pier.
Oh, okay. Private bar. Doggy! Doggy! Huy! So this is the island. We really wanted to go to another beach here in this island, guys, but the problem is there is no motorcycle for rental. So how we are going to cover all the beach? We cannot walk because it's really far away. Doggy!